guys, my name is Anya and we are going to make sandwiches. Haya Puppu will help me.
Hi, and I am the Haya Puppu. How are you guys? She is my niece and today we are going to make sandwiches on Metafood. We will start, but सबसे पहले हमें क्या चाहिए?
We need bread.
Bread.
And chicken.
Chicken.
Salt.
Salt and
Pepper.
Pepper.
And mayonnaise.
We are making chicken sandwiches?
Yes.
No, she is making chicken sandwiches. Go buy your stuff.
Okay. I got the bread and the plate. Yes. Okay. I got the bread.
What we have to do next?
We need 4 breads.
4 slices.
Oh, I forgot the ketchup. Now, Haya Puppu, can you help me?
Of course, I can help you. So we have like 3 types of ketchup. ठीक है? We have dark ketchup, then we have tomato ketchup, और हमारे पास है chili garlic sauce. ऐसे mix करें आप.
You have to mix the ketchup.
हाँ, mix करके थोड़ा सा डालना है, थोड़ा सा. It's gonna get spicy, then you're not gonna eat it. Bas. Oopsie.
Now mix. Now mix. It's enough. And next.
Okay, you done?
Yep. Now Haya Puppu is going to do a little more.
You done. What's next? अब क्या करना है?
Next, we have to keep this a little away, and now we need the breads.
Okay, we need the breads.
First, for the breads,
We need what?
Haya Puppu tell. Cutters.
We need cutters. बिल्कुल, we need cutters. हम छोटा sandwiches बना रहे हैं?
Yes. Now. Now, we got this. Now.
We making small sandwiches?
And big.
Okay, we're gonna make big also. Let's make the big one. No, नहीं, इससे थोड़ा छोटा नहीं है.
Now we need a little.
ये वाला, ठीक है?
Now. Shake it. Take it out like this.
I want to taste it.
Is it fine?
We have to put this.
And spread.
Yeah, we have to put this.
Tomato cutter. Tomato cutter.
Let me show you a trick. You want to see a trick?
Yes.
Okay. Let me show you a trick.
Okay. Now the cutter.
Yeah, now with the cutter, but this one. No, wait, let me do it.
No, this one.
I have to show you the trick, Jana. Press it hard.
No, hurt today.
Hurt or be gentle with it, or else you're gonna ruin it.
Be gentle with it.
Yay! Now you eat it. I'm gonna take a bite. Good job.
Okay. Now do it like this. Done. Now just keep it like this. Ta-da! We are all done. I hope you like my recipe. Goodbye.